First, let's dive into the Angular Universal Custom Error Handler. Here you see an import from Angular core, which brings in the Error Handler base class that we will extend. We also import the server module and server transfer state module from Angular platform server. The Universal Error Handler class implements the Error Handler interface from Angular, with a handle error method that simply logs the error to the console. This is where you could add more sophisticated error logging or reporting mechanisms suitable for your application. Finally, the error handler is provided in the App Server Modules Providers array, overriding the default Angular error handler with our custom class. Next, we have an error handling function for the server-side rendering part of our application, designed for use with an Express server. This function accepts an error object and the Express response object. It logs the error message and then renders a custom 500 error page by setting the HTTP status to 500 and calling the render function. Inside the render call, 500 is the name of the error view template, and we pass along the error message, which can be used within that template to provide an informative error message to the user. Finally, let's connect our error handling function to the server routes. This is an example of a wildcard get route in an Express server. Whenever the server receives a GET request to any path, it attempts to render the main app by calling resRender with index, which is our Angular app's entry point on the server side. If rendering goes smoothly, the resulting HTML is sent back to the client. However, if an error occurs during rendering, our handleRender error function is called. The error is handled gracefully by sending back a custom error page to the user, instead of potentially leaking sensitive stack trace information.